going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? Today, we're going minimal. No, that's Manimal. Manimal is a TV show from the 80s where a guy turned into a cougar. Man, 80s TV shows were fucking weird, weren't they? Today, we're going minimal. Ultra minimal, to be exact. This is the Victorinox Signature Lite Swiss Army knife. And this is my new ultimate minimal EDC option. This is not a new item. Victorinox actually released this back in 2008, but it is a new item to add to my collection. I got this as a Christmas gift from my wife this past Christmas, and I very quickly knew how I was going to incorporate this into my everyday carry rotation. You all know I love EDC kits and keychains. If you watch my mini kit video or you watch my ultimate keychain kit video, then you've already seen me assemble some pretty sweet-ass minimalist EDC options. But today we're going even more minimal. So let's head back to the Tinker Closet and check this bad boy out. This is the Victorinox Signature Lite. I will just quickly show you what we're working with here as far as features. It's got the blade, a flathead screwdriver with a file. On the opposite side, it's got the scissors. But why do they call it the Signature Lite? Well, because you can sign your signature with the pen and you can use it as a flashlight. The pen is a pressurized pen insert, so if you needed to, technically, I guess you could write upside down, but it is a pretty good option.
Son, your ego is writing checks your body can't cash.
The flashlight side does require a small battery, but you can see the flashlight itself is just an LED flashlight, and it's pretty dang bright. Standing in the dark, that is a bright light. Not dim at all. The profile of the Signature Lite is very close to that of a classic SD. You can see it's basically the same dimensions, it's just a little bit thicker. Everything in life is a trade-off. This is no exception. Since you get a flashlight and a pen with the Signature Lite, unlike the classic SD, it does not come with the tweezers or the toothpick option. Now, maybe you're a weirdo like me. Maybe you're somebody who actually uses the tweezers and the toothpick. In fact, the toothpick is probably my most used EDC item. I have a tendency to carry this with just a house key on it, but if you're the type of person that can't live without the tweezers and the toothpick, guess what? Boom! You can just add those two items. Here is a toothpick that unscrews. Take that with you anywhere. And of course, a pair of tweezers. I just got these off Amazon, but they have an incorporated clip up here at this end, so they stay on your keychain. This is my existing grab-and-go EDC keychain option. As you can see, this has all the same items, just in a smaller, lighter profile. One other quick side note, I mentioned it was about the same size as a classic SD, so if you have one of these silicone cases from Victorinox, it doesn't fit perfectly inside, but it does fit, and you still have access to the light. So that's a little bit of food for thought. But also, if you have one of these clip and carries by SwissLinQ, it is too wide to fit inside there, so it won't fit inside one of these. So in addition to being my new minimalist EDC carry, this is also one of the best EDC backup options that you can add to almost any kit. You know the old EDC mantra, 1 is 1, 2 is none, bloody fucking blah. You already have your regular EDC, you've got your knife, you've got your flashlight, you've got your pen, and you might even have a multi-tool. Well, guess what? This is the ultimate backup option. You got a backup knife, you got a backup flashlight, you got a backup pen, and you've even got some multi-tool functionality with the flathead file and the scissors. This is a great backup EDC option. If you already have a tin kit like my MacGyver kit, look how conveniently this thing fits inside. It's got a very small profile. I have my Viper 8 VE15s that I use as my primary EDC, and I use this zipper pocket in the back as a wallet, but check this out. There's space right up at the top for that to fit in, and it doesn't even make the pouch any thicker. Now I've got a backup for all of these options right back here. Is it the best knife? Well, you already know the answer to that. No, it's not the best knife, but it's a very adequate backup blade. Is it the best, brightest flashlight? Of course not, but it's a very adequate flashlight. Is it the best pen? No, but it's pressurized and it's a very adequate pen option. It also takes up zero space and it can definitely save your butt in a pinch. So when it comes to minimal EDC items, just remember to think outside the box, Be creative with your gear and have fun with your EDC. This is Suns with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.